a store like this one for you on Seller right here. Look at this is the Seller right now. This is where I host, or you can see this is my name, this is my picture right here. You can see this store has over 30 something ebooks, and these are not just old kind of ebooks, these are latest new ebooks that are on right now. So that's the same thing I'm going to be creating for you. I'm going to be creating a store like this for you on this Seller, and I'm going to be loading them up with 30 ebooks just like this one you're seeing right now. I'm going to add your name. If you want your name to be here, I'm going to add your name, I'm going to add your account number, so that when anybody buys, they will be able to pay you through whichever account you want them to pay you into. You can see each of these book is sold for $10 right now, and anybody anywhere in the world can buy this book. Let me show you. I'm not in the United States, but you can see I still change my currency to dollar right here. So this is where you change the currency back. Let's say we want this in Ghana cedis right now. You can see we can come right here, and this $10 is going to be converted. You can see is 43 .56 Ghana cedi in Ghana right there. So that's how much that is sold for in Ghana. You can literally, all this currency that you're seeing here right now, you can literally change this. So anybody in any of this country can literally just buy this. You can see, let's do the British euro right there. You can see it's going to change this right now. So you can see it's 250, it's 2.54 euro right here, and this is the price that I choose to sell my own. You can decide to increase the price of your own book. You don't have to go with my own price. Actually, this price that I'm listing this book right now, they are just basically price that I put there just to do this video for you guys. Your book can be sold as $17 to $27. This is how valuable all these ebooks on this website. I'm going to be opening some of the ebooks for you right now, so you can really see the value of the book, of what you're getting. You can see the title that you're getting right here. So you can see on this page already right now, we have this is about 16 ebooks on this first page. If you click on this second one also right here, you're going to have another 16 pages. That's about 30 something already. That's about 32, 16.16. That's 32 already right there. You can see this one also. You can see all kinds of ebook in different niches right there, guys. You can see. Then I'm going to click the third one. But what you're going to be getting is 30. You're going to be getting 30 ebooks, latest, new, all trending ebooks that are going to be ready for you right here. This is a course that I'm selling on my own website. You too can also have this course right here on your own. If you want to, I can include that course for you right there. So you can see these are all the things that you're going to be getting. So let me click and show you one of the book on this side, so you can see the value of what you're getting right here. So let me click this one. This is one of the books that I like on this side. All the books on this side are quality books, so you can see, read more right here. Achieve Happiness. This book is a very good and high quality book that can be sold for as much as $27, and that's what you'll be getting inside this package that I have for you right now. So if you want this, or anybody want to buy, you can just click right here to buy this ebook right now. So this is the details of what is in the book. People can just read all of these, and when they are done reading it all the way to the bottom, they just click on this buy button, and they can buy this for 254 euro right there. So this is basically all the things. So I'm selling this whole package for just $20. Yeah, that's $20. If you are in Nigeria, you're gonna pay just 10,000 naira. Yeah, that's the discount I'm giving. It's actually $50 though, but because I'm doing a discount right now, if it's my student that are selling it, they're going to be selling it for you more than this price. So because you're buying it directly from me, so I'm going to be doing all this for you. I mean, I'm going to be designing this for you. All these ebooks you're seeing here, these are not free ebooks. These are ebooks that are already paid for. Already I signed up to a PLR and MRR membership website where we get ebooks every month that comes out. So that's where all this book comes out from. That's where I get these ebooks from. So I already paid to get all these books. They are not just ebooks that are download. They're not just free ebooks that are download online. These are high quality ebooks that you can get, that people will love to buy. Anybody in the world, you can see the title of this book right here. These are all the details of the book. So these are high quality ebooks that I'm getting for you right now. If you want to get access to this right now, this, I tell you, this is one of the easiest ways to make money online. Having your own store like this one that you're seeing, it makes it easy for you to start making money on a daily basis, on a weekly basis, and on a monthly basis, because people can literally just come to this your website right here, to this your store, and they can buy any of this book right here. You can see all the beautiful title that I have in this book. They can come and buy all this book, and you can keep selling these every day by day. 10 years, 20 years, 50 years, 100 years from now, if this seller is still involved, if they've not folded up, if they are still online, all these are your sites, and you can still keep selling them and keep making money from them back to back. So I'm gonna put my WhatsApp link down below this video you're watching right now, so you can just reach out to me right now and tell me you want this package that I'm selling right now, and I'm gonna reach out to you, and I'm gonna get you access to this package right now. So don't delay. This is and another thing is, you can also get affiliate to promote this store for you. Like, if you get this, once I create a store like this for you with your own book, people can also promote all these books for you, which means you're going to give them commission, and that's what they call affiliate marketing. Like these books that you're seeing for $10 right now, let me put it back in the USD right now, USD, which is $10 right now. So if you have your own store like this right now, let me say I have an affiliate that want to promote this book on my site. Maybe they want to promote this book to their Facebook group, their WhatsApp status, their IG, or they want to promote it on TikTok. When they promote this book and anybody buy this book from their wherever they promote it, they are going to get 50% of this money you're seeing here right now. So imagine they promote this book on any of their social media platform, and let's say 100 persons buy this book from them 100 times. 50% of this money is just $5 times 100, that's 50. Yeah, I think that's about $50 right there. $50 times, is that $50 or 500 or $500? Can't really think straight right now. But they're just going to be getting 50% of these, selling it for $100. Somebody who has about 100k followers, or they have 10,000 or 1 million followers, and they share a book like this, do you think 100% will be able to buy this book from all their followers? Of course, definitely more than 100. In fact, some people can sell to at least 1,000 persons just by promoting this book on their social media, on their Telegram, or their IG and their WhatsApp, wherever they want to share it like that. So that's the power of this right now. You can have a store like this, and you can have people, your family, your friends, your relative, anybody that is close to you can promote this book, and they will make commission anytime they sell this book from you. You can see achieve peak performance. These are high quality books that you can get your hands on right now with your store. So I'm going to be looking out for your WhatsApp link down below if you want to get this. This is 10,000 naira if you're in Nigeria, and if you are in Ghana, or if you are in anywhere else, is just 20. I'm only doing this for just 10 people. Once I get the 10 people that I want, I'm going to increase it from that $20 back to the $50, which is the initial price. So hurry up right now, reach out to me on WhatsApp, and I'm going to be giving you this as soon as possible. I'll see you guys on the next one. This is a way you can make $500 to $1,000 every week by having your own store like this. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.